Hey everyone, Carl here. Welcome to today's vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for today's episode, it's going to be really special. I'm going to give you guys an updated tour of my condo slash work area. But prior to that, we will be unboxing this brand new 82-inch TV from Samsung that I got to be able to make this workspace, this condo, even more fun, even more cool, and even more me. O, di ba? Panalo. And with that said, before I forget, make sure that you watch until the very end because I'm in the mood to give away a TV. Let's go! Ang ganda niya, guys. The TV, oh my God. Take a look at how absolutely stunning that 82-inch Samsung Crystal TV is. Ang ganda niyan, laki-laki. Wow, panalo. Imagine nyo kung magpi-PS4. Kailangan ko lang bumili ng PS4. But yeah, madali lang yun. Pang Netflix muna siya, tsaka YouTube. OMG, that is absolutely, incredibly, well, super thin and stunning. Grabe. Panalo. This is the official YouTube or Netflix and chill setup. You have the massage chair, you have the 82-inch TV, you have internet, and you are chilling like a villain. Do not remove until TV is assembled. Well, it's assembled, so I guess we can... how do you remove this? Ooh. Oh, sira ko pa to. Woohoo! Okay guys, let's share in this special moment together on... Imagine nyo kung gaano kalaki si Sada ko pag dyan lumabas, oh. Ba-bam! Okay, so this is taken a few days later from the previous video that I did of the unboxing of the TV because I ran out of battery. So tuloy lang natin yung ating condo tour slash TV unboxing. Now originally the TV was supposed to be here, pero I had to move it because this one still moves. So hindi ko pa siya nababarena or it's not yet set on the wall, and I'll be only able to do that after the lockdown when we have, you know, the people that can actually set it up. So, ang problem, if lagay ko dito yung TV, tapos hanginin to, tatama siya sa TV, mababasag yung TV. Ayaw natin yon. So, this is our brand new Samsung Crystal UHD TV. And it is massive. Just so you guys get an idea, I framed the shot like this so you can see how big the TV is. And one of the things that I immediately noticed about it is that it just looks ridiculously premium. It looks sick. I mean, just take a look at that almost bezel-less display. You can barely see any of the borders, which allows for a more immersive viewing experience. And ang sleek lang talaga niya tignan. Ang ganda lang niya talaga tignan. Sobrang panalo. Now, obviously, this TV has different modes. The one that I have right now is called their ambient mode. So if you want the TV to be a display piece or a centerpiece, it pleases. So there was centerpiece in your living room, you can set it up that way. It can show your personal pictures, or you can download different kinds of photos like this one, and you can even program it so that it looks like this board which shows the date and all of the other important information that you want to see on your TV. Now, exploring the TV a little bit more, since it is powered by Tizen, I don't know how you pronounce it. That's the operating system of Samsung. You actually have access to a variety of applications that you can already install in the TV. You have YouTube, you have Netflix, you have Prime Video, you have UFC, you have YouTube Kids, you have Spotify, and a variety of other applications that can be all installed directly on the TV. You also have the option to use Smart View on your Samsung phone, which will allow you to cast whatever is on your phone directly to the TV over here. So with just one tap, let's tap the TV, start casting with Smart View, start now, And what you'll see is that it is connecting over here, and the phone will actually appear and float on the side of the display. So should you want to be able to show stuff with your friends, or if you want to play videos, it's as easy as one tap on your phone. Now, another cool feature is Bixby. So it is the voice assistant feature of the Samsung TV. So just press this microphone button, YouTube, and it will automatically go to whatever it is that you want it to go to. In this case, I asked it to go to YouTube and open it up. Shout out kay Mary Bautista na biglang lumabas sa giant TV. Now, apart from the features that I just showed you, the Samsung TV is still packed with a lot of smart features. In fact, one of the things that you might want to test out is the tap to view. All you have to do is to get your phone and then tap it on the side of the TV, and it can actually automatically cast whatever it is that you are watching or listening to your Samsung Crystal TV, which I think is an awesome feature. Now, you're probably thinking these TVs are insanely expensive. Well, if you're going to buy the 82-inch one, obviously the answer to that is yes. But the great news is if you pay in cash, I believe that it will retail for much less. According to my research, the big one, the 82-inch that I showed you, usually sells for $179,999. But if you pay in cash, it's $149,999. So that's a big discount. Now, if you want something more within the range that's a little bit more on the affordable side, you can actually go, I would recommend that you consider going for the 50-inch TV, because the retail price on that one is $33,999. But if you pay in cash, you can actually get it for $25,999. Now, if 50 inches is too small for you, you might want to go up to the 55. The usual price is $41,999, but you can actually get it for $31,999 in cash. Not a bad price considering all the features, especially if you are rocking a Samsung device already. If you have the Note, if you have the S series, and you want everything to be interconnected in your house so that you feel a bit smart home thing going on, then you might want to invest in a nice looking, awesome, gigantic Samsung TV like this one. Okay, now that we're done with that amazing kick-ass TV, I'll give you guys an updated tour of my workspace slash, I don't know, YouTube studio. So hold on, because you're going to see a lot of really cool stuff. Now, a few weeks ago, I saw a bunch of sneaker-inspired paintings. This one just looks absolutely stunning. So it's by JJ Zamoranos. And man, this one is just super sweet. You have the Adidas Superstar. And then you have, of course, the reference and that homage to Quicks, one of the Filipino artists that I've been collecting. As you guys can see here at the top of my wall, or the opposite that giant TV I just showed you, we have a lot of Quicks figures. They've been appreciating in value, very happy with this collection. And wow, I'm just really thrilled to have these figures. And I can just connect to them because of the Japanese robot culture, Filipino streetwear inspired thing. So you saw that painting, hinanap ko siya, and babam, now it's here. So as you guys can see, this is like the second art piece, I guess, or painting here in my home studio slash condo. This is the, I don't know what it's officially called, but man, I was just smitten with it. Sometimes when you see art pieces, they just talk to you. And they just, you know, represent stuff that you love. And being a collector of Quicks, loving the Adidas Superstar, this was just a must-have. And in case you're wondering what was the first artwork, that's the giant artwork that you see there of me Funk Code by my good friend Crunk. So Crunk Design made that one. Miggy, shout out to you, bro. Now, this part of the studio you already saw before, and not much updates. We still have a lot of the Dragon Ball figures, ranging from Goku, Vegeta, and Broly. This is the giant Broly, Goku, and Vegeta. My favorite Vegeta statue to date, one of the most kick-ass figures, Majin Vegeta by Chume, limited edition. Really happy with this piece. And we have over here, used to be primarily all Batman and Jokers, but instead, we have a mini One Punch Man collection going on. So this, of course, is Saitama. This used to be the figure in my gym. I moved it over here because I started growing a collection of One Punch Man Funko Pops. Ang cute! I just need, I think, Boros and Genos. And then we can have that collection initially complete. So ang ganda! And moving over here, we have some sort of like mini hype wall. We have some of the sneakers in these cases. You have the Jordan 1 Off-White Chicago, the Quicks Jordan, the Titan Custom Jordan 3, this Air Force 1 which is customized for me by Paulo Tomenes, this Off-White Dunks which I got at a steal deal from Riff LA, my favorite Prestos, and a gift by DJ Big Boy Cheng. Also, when I buy carpets or rugs, I really use them as carpets or rugs. So this is from Bape. This is from Bape also. And by the door, Undefeated. Speaking of Undefeated, we have the Starbucks Undefeated tumblers over here. A nice Undefeated side bag. Some really nice fragrances from Givenchy. And these two fragrances I'm actually going to review very soon. It's by a YouTuber. His name is Jeremy Fragrance. So he has Date for Men and Office for Men. So malapit natin i-review yan. We have a nice Bape box which I'll unbox in a separate video. An Off-White water box, Off-White belt, some Supreme stuff, books about sneakers. Shout out to Neil for this really nice artwork. And yeah, it's really just a cool hype wall. Now over there is the home gym. If you guys want to see a dedicated video of my tour of this particular space, just click the link down below. Now the rest of the space you've already seen. You have my art toy collection over here at the back, which apart from the Quicks figures, you have a lot of Filipino art toys. This one is one of my current favorites kasi it looks like me, pareho kami mataba. So it's like a samurai bear. So, namataba. So, pareho kaming vibe, di ba? And then, of course, we have like, well, there's a couple of bear bricks. And yeah, you guys have seen that wall, so you won't dwell on that too much. Now, one new thing is this gigantic black and orange chair, which I'm calling the Project 721 Hustle Throne. So shout out to Petros Philippines for customizing and putting this together. It is super comfortable. Sobrang sarap niya sa likod. Super happy to have this. He is actually the same guy or the same company that made this. So hindi yung gulo sorry, magulo siya, madumi. But this is a sofa inspired by the Nike Air Up Tempo. So siyang gumawa niyan, siya nag-customize niyan. Panalo. And that actually wraps up our vlog for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Now, as promised, I told you that I would raffle away a TV. But unfortunately, I will not raffle away this gigantic TV. I'll be raffling away a 32-inch Samsung TV. So all you guys have to do to be able to join is number 1, you have to subscribe to my channel. Number 2, you have to follow me on Instagram. Number 3, you have to follow Samsung Philippines on Instagram. I'll put the link down below. And number 4, just leave a comment down below on what is your favorite feature of this TV that I mentioned, that I talked about and unboxed earlier. I will draw the winner in 2 weeks. So good luck to all of you. And by the way, I reserve the right to disqualify people who professionally join contests. What are those people? People who have multiple accounts, people who kind of lie when you ask them why they have multiple accounts. So I reserve the right to disqualify people who are trying to game the mechanics. This is just for fun. So good luck na lang sa inyo kung sino manalo. Please don't try to cheat. Cheating is bad. Oh, and you need to share this video as well on Facebook and give it a thumbs up, okay? So kung hindi kayo mag-thumbs up, kung hindi kayo mag-share, pwedeng hindi kayo manalo. And with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed our video for today. As usual, this is Carlos signing out. Peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.